Today, you'll learn about motherboard sizes and their main features. ATX. ATX is the most common motherboard size, found in most desktop PCs. It's big enough to fit multiple RAM sticks and graphics cards, and it comes with plenty of extra connections. Its size also allows for larger fans and heat sinks, keeping your system cool. ATX boards fit in medium or large cases, so they're not ideal for really compact setups. If you want a versatile PC that can handle more components and demanding programs or games, ATX is a solid choice. Micro-ATX. Micro-ATX is smaller than ATX and takes up less space, so it fits nicely in medium or small cases. You can still install multiple RAM sticks and at least one graphics card, though it has fewer expansion slots and extra connections than a full-size ATX. Its compact size makes it a more budget-friendly option without losing too much performance. Micro-ATX is perfect if you want a balance between space, cost, and functionality, or a system that's easier to move or fits on a smaller desk. Mini-ITX. Mini-ITX is very compact, taking up minimal space, making it ideal for small PCs or clean, minimalist desk setups. It supports the essentials, RAM and a small graphics card, but has limited expansion slots and extra connections. Its small size means you have to choose components carefully, but it makes for an efficient, quiet system, perfect for tight spaces or discrete setups. Mini-ITX is great if you prioritize space and a compact design while keeping basic functionality. eATX. eATX is larger than ATX, giving you plenty of room for multiple graphics cards, lots of RAM, and additional connections. It's mainly used in high-performance PCs or workstations with advanced components. eATX only fits in large, specialized cases, and its size allows for better airflow with room for big fans and heatsinks. If you want a powerful, expandable PC ready for demanding tasks, like professional video editing, 3D modeling, or heavy multitasking, eATX is the way to go. The motherboard size doesn't determine which processor you can use. Each model can support Intel or AMD depending on its design. All motherboards can handle basic tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, or using Office apps, and usually come with 2 to 4 RAM slots plus 1 or more graphics card slots, depending on the model. Some motherboards offer more space and connectivity for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D design, or advanced gaming, while others are built for more compact and basic setups. Subscribe to keep learning.